Hi folks, it's Björn here. And as I got asked by so many people on different platforms, what is going on with Bitcoin? Is it a buy? Should you hold it? Should you sell it? What is the future of Bitcoin? I thought I made a video to it. So stay tuned. And as we all know why Bitcoin and co went down, at least I hope so. And if not, Elon's tweet, China problematics, etc., etc. For that, Bitcoin plunged by almost 50% because we had an all-time high at 63k, and on 23rd of May we had 30k. Right now it's going back up to 40 as far as I could see. So, and why it is going back up now? Elon was tweeting as well that he was speaking with North American miners, and there is a way basically to mine Bitcoin in a healthy way or a sustainable way, and that is exactly what I said in my last video, that it will become more and more popular for bigger firms who wants to have clean Bitcoin, that as you can define where you buy Bitcoin, and you can see on the companies if they are mined in a sustainable way or not, like Coinbase for example, so you can choose where to buy your Bitcoin, okay? And for that we see that Bitcoin is now rising again. But let's talk about what was my decision and what I have done and why. Bitcoin's worth does not have changed. It doesn't matter what Elon is saying or someone else. The worth of Bitcoin is not changing, okay? Now all the people have sold what they have bought over the last month since Elon invested, right? So basically all these people are out. Right now you have basically the base. So all the people they invested already in Bitcoin before Elon did and are already longer in and will probably hold the positions longer. So my expectation is therefore that the price will not drastically go more down right now. It can be done, understand me wrong. I'm not Marty from Back to the Future and can predict everything to 100%. But my guess is that with the price level we have right now, maybe it will go a little bit deeper or lower, but not by a lot. It's my guess. All right. So I will think sooner or later, I cannot tell when, but over the long term, the Bitcoin price and the Ethereum price, and therefore I think as well the other altcoins, will go up again as well. When you haven't checked out the Bloomberg interview with Cathie Woods, for example, I will link it in the comments field. Check it out. And she still, for example, sticks to her prediction that Bitcoin sooner or later will hit 500k, and I made a video to it and I will link it at the end of the video, what basically Cathie Woods predicts and what her analysis are regarding Bitcoin. So in this video I go in depth what are her reasons, what she thinks, and all the other stuff, right? And yes, I think totally the same. On the long run, the banks and all the other companies cannot go around and totally ignore the crypto market, all right? Because there is so much potential and money inside. It needs to go up basically, but when and how much, that nobody can tell. And anyone who does and says I'm 100% sure or whatever, no, you cannot predict the market to 100%, okay? And that you have to understand. And therefore I couldn't help myself. I had just to buy more Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I switched as well something to Cardano. So for me, my approach here is I bought a dip And this is not for long-term investing. That's my personal approach. I bought a dip right now, and if I reach 20-30% again, then I will probably sell it, just the part what I bought right now, to have a little bit more cash flow going and invest it elsewhere or in some other stuff. Okay, so I just want to get the cash flow running, because it did not happen the last month with the cryptos. So right now for me it was the opportunity, and I couldn't help myself, and I needed to buy. All right, so but what you do, and yeah, what other people are saying or whatever, you can do whatever you want. That is what I did, what is my approach here. And try to think long term. Okay, right now maybe you are young and you think, I don't care what's in 10, 20, 40, 50 years. Maybe I'm not alive there anymore, and I want to enjoy my life right now. But I tell you, I wish I did the stuff what I'm doing here right now, or since the couple past of years. I wish I was doing this stuff when I was in my 20s. Okay, I would be way more richer than right now. So try to imagine yourself with 40, 50 or 60, and invest in yourself so that you are not ruined when you are 60 or something. Okay, invest in yourself. That is important, and I hope you guys and girls, I hope you listen to me. Okay, but to sum this up, we can say, due to the current events, we have a sell-off in Bitcoin and Co. All right, but still, big institutions like ARK Invest and so on, they are still pretty confident, and we are still in a bullish market. Okay, and as I said, ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, I did a video to it. Feel free to check it out. It's at the end of this video. I will link it. There is an in-depth analysis on what Cathie Wood thinks of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's quite impressive to study. So again, feel free to check it out. And another thing is, if you're thinking about to invest in Bitcoin and Co, I recommend to check out BlockFi or Binance in order to buy some Bitcoin. And the good thing is, with BlockFi you can even earn interest on your crypto. Feel free to check it out. I will link it up here, but that's totally on you. And that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay focused and don't get greedy. See you all next time. Have a great one.